Hey Feather Fam, it's me Elle, and welcome back to my channel. Today's really exciting. Basically what's happening is a family friend is rehoming 2 animals, that's all I'm gonna say, and today I'm gonna go pick them up. But before I get into this video is sponsored by Squarespace. From websites to online stores, Squarespace is the all-in-one platform for you to build a beautiful online presence. Alright guys, so it's time to go. We're here. They put the dogs in the carrier. No, we're not taking you home. No, we're not taking you home. We're taking the bunnies. Hello. He's so small. The bunnies are literally bigger than this dog. Are you okay? You're upset that the bunnies are leaving. Oh, you're gonna miss them. We got the hay in the litter box. Okay, you guys are gonna be on YouTube. Hi! Hi, subscribers!
Hi, subscribers!
What are you watching?
The one, she stole bird from me. I'm watching, gosh, it went away. I love her videos and I finally found her. I can't believe I saw YouTube. I want to see it.
Yes, I'm gonna post it.
No.
It is time for an ad break. You guys know my website, ElleAndTheBirds.com. My website is hosted by Squarespace, a powerful website and e-commerce design platform. I'm so grateful to Squarespace for sponsoring my videos and hosting my website. Squarespace empowers people to create their online web presence and launch their business or passion project. This right here is my website homepage. Squarespace provides seamless integration of all my social media. From my homepage, you can go to my YouTube channel, my Instagram, my TikTok, recently updated Amazon store, my Teespring store, and of course my Elle's Avian Essentials store. In my store, you will find my Elle's Avian Essentials kits with descriptions and photos. When you're ready to purchase, simply place a kit in your shopping cart and follow the easy checkout process. Squarespace makes it amazingly easy to set up an online store with the checkout process taken care of by their powerful e-commerce capabilities. I'm so grateful to everyone who ordered my kits. On the birdcage gallery page, you can see photos of customers' cages outfitted with my kits. Squarespace has a built-in gallery feature which made it super easy to set up my photo gallery. To build a beautiful website of your own, head to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, head to squarespace.com/ElleAndTheBirds and use my discount code ElleAndTheBirds to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. pick up some supplies for the bunnies and maybe a few bird toys. So I think we're gonna get these chew toys, maybe some of these sticks over here for them to chew on, and it wears their teeth down. This is like a mat made out of hay. I think they'll really like to chew on it. Carefresh bedding for the litter box. Here's another little chew toy. Some pellets. We're gonna get these Timothy Hay dumbbell chew toys, and then some pine cones. And of course, lots and lots of hay, because rabbits eat a ton of hay. It looks like they have some green cheeks. We don't talk about that. Here's what you should not get for your rabbit. That's not a good rabbit starter kit. No rabbit should have to live in this tiny cage, except for maybe like somewhere to go temporarily. This is a very cool bird carrier. I kind of want to get it. Please stay clear of any Petsmart cage. Hamsters are not toys. All of these kind of things are complete junk. They should never be eating any of this yogurt drop stuff. We are literally driving and this guy in front of us has a shirt that says bunnies with attitude. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you guys the toys that I got for the bunnies at the store. The first thing I got was this really cool Timothy hay mat. It's also a foraging mat, so you can actually hide treats in between these little hay things. I got this really big willow twine ball. It's basically just a giant version of the twine balls I use for my birds. This is another Timothy hay chew toy. Some pine cones for them to chew on. These willow twists. These little chew sticks. And then these are like basically Timothy hay balls, and they're attached to sticks. They're like little dumbbells. And then lastly, this cute little toy with a ball in it that they can throw around. They also came with some toys. They have some wooden chew toys, and I'm now going to show you guys their setup. So this right here is their temporary setup, and then over here is their actual pen that I just bought and put together. This red spotty pen is actually from the guinea pig that I had years ago, so that's why they're in here right now. They are actually free roam rabbits, and they will be free roamed, except they are in the pen right now while they're adjusting, and also we're gonna keep them in the pen at night. So what I'm gonna do right now is introduce you guys to them, and then I'm going to give you guys a little tour of this actual setup. All right guys, so here they are. This right here is Coco, and this is Rusty. They are both males. Coco is a 3-year-old Dutch rabbit, and Rusty is a 2-year-old lionhead rabbit. They are both really friendly and sweet, as you can see right here. They just chill on the couch. They are already free roam and litter trained, and they're just the best rabbits ever. Coco definitely seems to be more scared than Rusty. Rusty is exploring a little bit more on his own. They really are just the cutest things I've ever seen. Like, just look at that face. Just look at that. All right, I know I'm gonna get questions about this. This is definitely still a bird channel. I am not becoming a rabbit channel. I love rabbits, they're amazing, but birds are always going to be my main thing. And also, there are so many other great rabbit YouTubers that I have been watching to learn about these guys. However, I am definitely going to try to find ways to include the rabbits in my videos and just kind of have them featured in some of my videos when I can. You kind of like can't even really tell that Rusty's a rabbit. He's just like a huge ball of fluff. He could be anything really. All right guys, so Coco is trying to dig the couch, and I am now going to show you guys their pen. Looks like they found all the toys that I had here. I'm gonna put the toys in their pen now. Alright guys, so here is their pen. I just put some of the new toys in. These cages back here came with the previous home. I think they're actually chinchilla or rat cages, but this is actually how they're litter trained. You put the litter boxes in there and that's where they're trained to go. They have these like little levels and I've seen them actually climb them. Only one has a litter box right now because the other litter box is in this pen. Here's all the toys I put in here. This is one of the toys they came with, and then they also came with a bunch of these hanging wooden chew toys, which they really like. They chewed on those a lot. They also came with this little hay rack for extra hay, but they have most of their hay in the litter boxes and also in this box. I made a little ramp for this box so they can come in and out. Rusty right now is in the litter box. And then I also put an Amazon Prime box on its side for them to hide in. As you can see, I was really surprised that they actually do climb up these different levels because I didn't think rabbits climbed. Their food and water dishes right now are in this pen. Coco is still in here, and then Rusty's in the other one. And then as you can see, it's open over here so they can actually come in and out when they want to. But then I will close it and put a clip on there at night so they don't escape. All right, so I just put Coco in. They are exploring it. They've already been in this pen a lot. Aww. Coco wants to come out, I think. Rusty. Oh. guys, so that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me take home the adorable bunnies. You guys will definitely be seeing more of them. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram and TikTok, check out my website, ElleAndTheBirds.com with my kits, and check out my Amazon store. I will see you guys in my next video.